Here's a detailed summary of Trading in the Zone: Master the Market with Confidence, Discipline, and a Winning Attitude by Mark Douglas, including all key points and practical examples to help you understand and apply the book's core trading psychology principles. Main idea of the book. Open quote, most traders fail not because of lack of strategy, but because of poor mindset, discipline, and emotional control. To win consistently, you must think in probabilities and let go of fear, ego, and unrealistic expectations. Close quote. Key principles and important points with examples. 1. The market is always right. Lesson. The market doesn't care about your opinion. Accept what it shows you without emotion. Example, you believe a stock should go up based on news, but it drops. Instead of arguing, exit based on your stop loss, not emotion. Or 2, you don't need to know what will happen next to make money. Lesson. Trading is a game of probabilities, not certainty. Focus on edge and consistency, not predictions. Example, a coin flip with 60% chance to win is profitable over 100 flips, even with many losses. Same with trades. Chapter 3, Thinking in Probabilities. Lesson, every trade is unique, and outcomes are randomly distributed, even within a profitable system. Example, if your strategy has a 70% win rate, don't panic after 3 losses in a row. It's part of the distribution. 4, the 5 fundamental truths of trading. Mark Douglas outlines 5 core truths. 1, anything can happen. 2, you don't need to know what's going to happen next to make money. 3, there is a random distribution between wins and losses for any given set of variables that define an edge. 4, an edge is nothing more than an indication of a higher probability of one thing happening over another. 5, every moment in the market is unique. Example, don't treat every trade like it will behave like the last one. Treat each with fresh, unbiased focus. 5, eliminate the fear of losing. Lesson, losses are part of the game. Fear creates hesitation and impulsive behavior. Example, if you fear loss, you might exit too early or avoid taking valid setups. Accept loss as part of the business. 6, consistency is key, not perfection. Lesson, the goal is not to win every trade, but to follow your plan every time. Example, a trader who follows rules every day, even with a 60% win rate, will outperform an emotional trader chasing perfect trades. 7, develop a winning trader's mindset. Winning traders follow their rules, detach from outcome, trust the edge, don't take losses personally. Example, after a losing trade, instead of beating yourself up, ask, did I follow my rules? If yes, it's a successful trade. 8, you must define your edge. Lesson, know exactly what conditions make a trade valid for you. Example, your edge might be breakout above resistance with volume plus bullish RSI. Stick to it, don't guess. 9, create a trading plan and follow it religiously. Lesson, discipline comes from having clear rules for entry, exit, position size, risk management. Example, if you risk 1% per trade, never increase that randomly just because this one looks perfect. 10, detach emotionally from the trade. Lesson, the market is not a place to prove anything. It's about executing systems, not satisfying ego. Example, if you revenge trade after a loss, you're trading emotions, not probabilities. 11, avoid self-sabotage. Lesson, subconscious fears like being wrong, losing money, missing out, cause impulsive behavior. Example, you move your stop loss because you hope it turns around. That's fear sabotaging your plan. 12, trading is a mental game. Lesson, you must reprogram your mind to deal with uncertainty, loss, imperfection, probability. Example, use affirmations like, my job is to take setups, not to predict outcomes. Quotes from the book. Open quote, the best traders aren't afraid. They have no expectations. They don't need to be right. Close quote, open quote, if you can learn to create a state of mind that is not affected by the market's behavior, the struggle will cease to exist. Close quote. Final takeaway. Open quote. The real challenge in trading isn't your charts, it's in your mindset. Master your emotions, detach from outcomes, and trust your process. That's the path to consistency and long-term success. And now we have reached the end of this book. Thank you for watching the video till the very end. Please like, comment, and subscribe to support us and stay updated with more amazing content. See you in the next one.